In a complex and demanding world, we crave rest for our minds. Psychiatrist Mark Rego, author of the book Frontal Fatigue, explains that the frontal lobe is the only part of the brain that gets tired when overworked, much like a muscle. So how can we give rest to the mind? First, divert it. Switch off from technology and find something that isn't mentally taxing. Do something practical, work with your hands and engage your senses. Also, be sociable, visit someone and have a chat. Second, slow down. Give space to let your mind settle and focus calmly and deeply. Read something, reflect without pressure. Look at nature and enjoy what is presently around you. Finally, clean up your headspace. Set realistic expectations, avoid negative thoughts, let go of worry, tell yourself the truth and focus on the positive. Be grateful. Doing these things will help you rest your mind.
Find out more about Cedarvale at cedarvaleretreat.com.au.